What's up? Welcome back. My name and my sign name. Today we're going to be learning if deaf people can have kids or not. So this is a question I get a lot, which I don't really understand why, because hearing has nothing to do with being able to have children. First, it has nothing to do with one or the other. I don't know if the question is more like, will deaf people have deaf children? And actually, a lot of people who are born deaf are born to hearing parents. So am I saying that deaf people can't have deaf children? No, not at all. Sometimes it's genetic, sometimes it's not. And hearing people can have deaf children without genetic or anything happening. But yes, deaf people can have children and they can be hearing. That's